Alrighty guys, so we are at the Harlem Meer today. This is a new part of the lake that is under construction for a while, but now it's finally no longer under construction. So yeah, let's just get to fishing. Fish number one, here we go. Dink of a bluegill. Yeah, it's still a fish though. Cool. Might have to move. This might not be the spot today. Here we go. This should be it. There we go. Okay, I think we should move at this point. Made a very small move. Let's see if it makes a difference, guys. Damn it. Is the worm still there? Yep. Yep, it did make a difference. That is a bluegill. He's not in the gill, so I think I can get that hook out. Alright. So yeah, I was able to get the last fish on hook safely off camera, but yeah, this one is not swallowed the hook, so I can unhook him on camera. Another bluegill. Oh, sorry, okay. It's a bit of an awkward position, but it should work. Yeah, I thought that would work. It's a really awkward position to put my rod in, but it worked to get this guy unhooked. So, yeah, enjoy your life. I'm gonna put on a new piece of worm. There we go, another bluegill. They're all males in this hole. I don't know why, but cool. There we go. That one was really tough to hook. They all look like the same one, but I'm sight fishing them. They're not. We got two more. No, like a bunch more. Okay. All right, here we go. Bluegill. Dang it, I couldn't get I got the hooks, that's I think we should be good. Got the tangle messed me up there. So the strategy here is going to be dropping this worm down the waterfall to make it look like it was here the whole time. Like it fell down the waterfall for real. And we'll see what eats it. Whatever the hell is biting me better actually eat the hook. I know what I'm hung up on. No way! This is what was biting me, guys. Check out what was biting me. This small. That makes sense. I'm just gonna put him right here. There are some giant sunfish here, so that was pretty upsetting. Again, guys, I swear there were much bigger sunfish in here the last time I was here. The green sunfish are still pretty beautiful. This still is a beautiful fish, but I swear there were bigger ones. Jesus. So that's what the problem was. Who would throw this in here? Wait a second. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, ew. Oh no! 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 I don't even want to touch that thing. Oh no! Oh boy. New York. doing there? What? I don't understand this. I caught like a 10-inch green sunfish here a month ago, and now they're all like smaller than my hand. Bro, where is the big one that I saw last time? Maybe I should try down here. At least this one didn't take as much weight. Another green sunfish. I'm telling you guys, once we've weed through the small ones, we'll get to the big ones. There we go. That's a pumpkin seed. Another species for the day. Third species, I think. Green sunfish, bluegill, and a pumpkin seed. Pretty cool. This is a beautiful one. Oh. Go back. Come on. Come on. Alright, he made it back in. Right off of his nest. Where are you? I didn't even see you back in. Oh, there he is. See him, guys? He's right there. Largemouth bass from the pool in Central Park. Yes, this lake is called the pool. Kind of strange, but yeah, send this guy back where he belongs. Oh, ew, splashed me in the face. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys made it this far, you guys gotta like, subscribe, comment, and if you comment the word, just the word I will heart your comment. Goodbye.